Hey guys, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube Shorts thumbnail. For that, I build one tool. It's located in our tools section. Go to tools section. Sorry. Here, I think I wrongly choose the tool. Go with YT Shorts thumbnail downloader. Yeah, we provide a lot of prompt ideas. Let's go with this one. I'm simply copying this because I will get music copyright. Simply copy this URL, come to our tool, yeah, just get thumbnails. See, here I provided start frame, middle frame, end frame. Actually, if it is video content, shorts content, 15-second means it will starting frame, it's middle frame, it end frame. I provided only same background, that's why it's not having different one. If you provide any other means, you can download start, middle, and thumbnail. Here below I provided resolution specific thumbnails. It means high quality, medium, standard, low quality, and lowest quality. Uh, let's see. If you want to copy this prompt means use this tool. First you need to paste the short link here. Click get thumbnails. You will get this. If you are using a laptop means simply click here. Click Google Lens. Here simply select this one. Yeah, select text, copy. If you are using phone means you can use Google Lens to select this text. So you can simply copy paste the text in ChatGPT or Grok. It will gives you the respective answer. It's a pakka prompt ideas. Also, why you need this thumbnail shorts thumbnail downloader? I will explain. Main thing is we will provide a prompt, so you can simply pasting the shorts link here, you can get the prompts, you can simply copy paste. Also sometimes, see, go home and simply search thumbnail idea, best fonts. Okay, best fonts, definitely it will come. See, there is, I think this font is good, I think so. In this scenario I want this font means I need this as image first. So I'm copying this shorts URL here. I'm pasting it here. Yeah, it's now loading. Yeah, this is one. I'm simply click download. Okay, I need to click download. Save this image. Just what? Okay. Now, how I find this font? Uh, Search what font. Here it will ask two things. One is URL, another one is image. Actually, I already downloaded this image. Guys, wait. I think the internet connection is too slow. That's why this site is still loading. Also, you can use what font is. This is also good website. What my font is also good website. Accept cookies. That guy is not giving solution, but where is okay? Here it is. We can do. mm we can paste the URL here or upload the image or drag and drop also possible. So just I'm going to drag and drop this image. I think it's loading. Yeah, now it's selected identify font. Choose this one. In this scenario, we can definitely use our tool to download a thumbnail, shorts thumbnail. So you can download the image and upload it on the what font site. You can get the font name here. For this, you can use our tool, guys. Okay. You can use another scenario also. Let me explain. Okay. If you want to copy paste the content means you can use our tool also. For Finding the fonts you can use. Let's say another example. What is another example? Okay. Best editing tools, guys. If you are you see in this thumbnail, I can get this. I want this specific section means you can use this. Let me explain you. If you find any objects means you can simply get it. Wait. Quality. Here are four websites. No editor. Actually, I don't want this. If you found any
Five best AI.
workable thumbnail or background means you can use this idea. Let me explain. I want this section, okay? So
இல்ல டெட்பூல்னு ஒரு படம் பாத்தீங்களா? கான் கேர்ள்.
I copied the shorts link, pasted, now get thumbnails. Yeah, yeah, this is I think high quality one, but I'm good. Use this, guys. Start frame. Click download. See, yeah, it's now downloadable format. I downloaded by using Photoshop. I can simply select this section and copy the layer. I can save it for later use. Also, I can remove this background. I can get this guy pic. Let me explain. Remove easy. Search. You can upload the downloaded thumbnail. As usual, I'm going to use drop and down option. Drop down option. See what's going to happen, guys. See, that's paka. As if you are paid means, if you are paid user means you will get a high quality image. I'm not. I'm using free version. See, for this you can use our tool. For three scenarios, you can use our tool. That is YouTube Shorts thumbnail downloader. If you want more other tools, means let me know. I will definitely build and deploy it, live it on our website. Mm. Today, I told I will add guys, this video is especially for those who are regular readers of Tech Block YT. Let's go with basic WhatsApp tricks. And before, I'm not added breadcrumb. Now I added breadcrumb. Why we need this breadcrumb means search engine will know home section is there, WhatsApp category is there. Here, this title topic was discussed. So breadcrumb is important for every blog. So I added. If you want to go home means you can click home. You can click WhatsApp to fetch WhatsApp related content, WhatsApp related blogs. For that, I think breadcrumb should added in every part of every page of website. Now I started adding some pages only. Within 10 days, I will definitely add for all pages in our website. Thanks for watching our video. If you like it means uh, share it with your friends. If you like it means comment it. Use our tool and let me know your feedback. If you're getting any errors means let me know in comment section. I will definitely resolve the issue and update it on the live server. Thank you guys. Bye.